All right, guys, I am so excited to share this tip with you today. My name is Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. I own Beaded Tassel Co. and several businesses online, and I help creative entrepreneurs earn money with their talent or creative business. So today, this little tip that I'm going to share with you, most of you can absolutely apply, and this is something that will help you differentiate yourself and get a whole new set of eyes on your business and a whole new set of buyers, and also increase your average order rate. All right, so what is it? It is bulk and wholesale. So before you say, wait a minute, Stephanie, I don't have anything to sell in bulk. I don't have anything to sell in wholesale. I'm going to show you exactly a way to do it, even if you sell print on demand or if you sell digital downloads. So let me just show you exactly what I mean. If I type into the Etsy search bar and let's just say I type in gifts, I want you to look at the amount of online, the competition. To the right here, there's 24 million results, and this is crazy. If you have gifts to sell, even if you're using longer tail keywords or you're really exclusive, it still may be hard to get noticed if you're a newer Etsy shop. But if you type in the word bulk in front of that, you're going to find out that there is the competition is so much less. We've got 60,000 results. And the cool thing is there are so many different niches that people are looking for bulk items. So how can you do this with your products? Well, first of all, if you're creating your own products, you can absolutely start to create more products and have a listing that includes bulk. So let me just show you, for example, right here, bulk Christmas gifts. So if you're selling candles, instead of just selling one at a time or two at a time, you can start selling 10 at a time and create a bulk listing. But make sure you use that in your keywords, in your tag, in your description. Okay, so that's just one idea. Now let's say if you are selling, if you're doing digital downloads, let me show you exactly how you can just simply, let's say you do cards. So you can do bulk digital. Let's just put bulk cards, digital downloads. I'm going to show you exactly what pops up. And you can see here, this person has a bundle. They're bundling up their cards. And this is, maybe you can do, let's say someone has place cards. They need place cards for a party. The list goes on and on. And like this is a 10 pack. You can use all these keywords. You can use bulk, wholesale, 10 pack, bundle. These are items that people are searching into the search bar on Etsy because they need bulk items. It is really an amazing way to get a whole new slew of people coming to your shop for bulk items. So I want to prove to you that this strategy actually works to help you get found, because I use it. I've been using it for 5 years in my business, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. So my business is mostly tassels and jewelry making supplies. And for a while, I was organically on page 1, but now the competition is fierce. So if I type in just tassels, and now I am not advertising currently. I'm only Etsy offsite ads is kicking in because I currently make over 10,000 a year, so you cannot turn that off. But I am not actually advertising on Etsy, me personally. So if I scroll down, I'm going to show you that there's 348,000 results, and I am not, my company is not on page 1 here, okay? So let me show you. If I just type in the word bulk, tassels bulk, which is one of my keywords, we're down to 2,000 results, and boom, Beaded Tassel Company. There's one of my listings. Just keep scrolling down. Boom, two of my listings on page 1. I've got, let's see where another one of my listings is. Here's another listing, another one on page 2. And there's another one of my listings, another one on page 3. So you can see that I have, let me just scroll down to the bottom to see. So I have basically been able to corner this little piece of the market by simply changing up my keywords and offering bulk and wholesale. So what I want for you all to understand from this, like this tip that I'm sharing with you, is that you can stand out on Etsy, but you have to be a little shrewd. You have to think a little bit differently, and you have to like be thinking in terms of what can you do that is what all the other sellers are not willing to do or are not doing. And you will definitely get more eyeballs and more sales if you show up and do this strategy. I promise you, I can pretty much type in anything in bulk. Look, I mean, just even socks. Let's say print on demand, printed. Let's do, say you sell socks, bulk. And there's only 48 results. So, you know, people maybe, again, purchasing for their coworkers, for their family members, for birthday parties, for Christmas gifts, and they want to get bulk pricing. So I highly recommend that you try this strategy, and let me know in the comments if you are going to be one of the ones that are going to actually go for it and do it. And it's really simple. You can just go right on to Canva and create, like right over here, if you can see here, there is just fan out your items or duplicate them. You can do that right on Canva, and that's it. It's really not that difficult. And I want to know in the comments if you're going to actually apply this. Let me know, guys. And if you've been thinking about starting an Etsy shop or your Etsy shop is struggling, why don't you connect with me and hundreds of other people in my community that I've help them start and grow their Etsy shops. That's what I do. I'm an Etsy coach, and go ahead and click on some of the links that I have provided for you below this video to connect with me. I have a free Facebook group. I offer several online courses to help you scale and grow and start your Etsy shops, and I would love to help you out so you can be one of the next successes on Etsy. So that's it for the tip of the day. Please let me know if this is something you are going to try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and there's a little notification button. Don't forget to click that notification button for future videos, for my future videos, tips and strategies of how to succeed and earn money online with your hobby, your craft, your talent. And I will see you guys in the next video.